So you'll probably click this video because your drone has decided to land itself. Probably due to the fact that your battery has been low. Now, what happens next is you're happy that you managed to get your drone back, but then you take out the SD card and you put it into your computer because you'd like to see what happened. So after you've tried to look at the directory, you see that last footage that you've recorded, and you've noticed that it's unable to be played. And that's the problem I had. Don't worry, it's possible to fix. So the way I fix my DJI Mini SE2 is I put my SD card into the drone. I charged up the drone, and then I pressed the on button. What will happen next is the LEDs will flash different colors at the bottom. And then what happens is the drone will fix itself. It will rewrite that particular file and fix it. It will fix the corrupted file. Anyways, I hope this helped, and if it does, let me know. Have a great day.